Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys the song, and then we're also going to have a play along at the end. Starting off with the chords, we're going to be using C, D flat, D minor, and F. So C, D flat, D minor, F is all we're going to use. Now here's a quick little strum pattern that I'm going to teach you guys. There's two ways. We can just do all down strums. So it goes, this is actually the pattern of it. So it goes down, 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 C, 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 D minor, then D flat, C, 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 D minor, D flat, D flat, D flat, D flat, F, D flat. So that's a little quick one. So it's a little harder with the down strums. Now if you add in the up strums, this is how it'll be. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down is much easier, and also what I'm doing is kind of like chucking it or just muting the strings when I go down, up, down, and then okay, and that's basically for the entire song. So that is pretty much for the whole entire song. Now I'll have like a little play along at the end. You guys can follow along. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.